Commentary driving is an excellent way to improve your skills, and this is a brilliant example.
Be in either of the two left lanes.
Right round. Foreign vehicle. My God, what the stage where I were.
Nice driving. This clip for me is excellent. It's not just the superb pass of these two cyclists up ahead, but it's the fact that our driver is discussing certain aspects of what's happening and what's going on with a young child. Education starts early. I know that was a dog and not the child.
Yeah, they are quick, yeah. Not sure they'll be as quick going up the hill, but I can't see around the corner, so...
Children learn by examples. Just make sure they're good ones. There may be times where doing this might be more dangerous, so just be careful and aware of your surroundings. This for me though was a good idea. This is a nice thought, however, all I would advise is try and see the problem further up and don't go into the situation causing you to have to reverse, because then, if someone's really close behind, that could have been a bigger problem with this lorry. Quite often UK roads can be wide enough for two cars to get past, but when you add a lorry into the mix, it then becomes more difficult. This was a good shout to allow all the traffic to flow, and then, once we see there's no other big vehicles, great, let's get on with it. This is another important point with narrow streets. Some of them haven't got any pavements on, and when there are pedestrians walking down the road, give them priority. And John does this brilliantly, because none of them seem to appreciate what John was waiting there for. Have you just spotted the problem? Is it the lorry's signal that you spotted, or did you spot the cause of the signal? My viewer was onto it early enough. Would you have been? Nice work all round by everyone here to cure an awkward one. If you're good enough, the last two words spoken in this clip should describe every single one of your journeys.
Ah, I know what I am. Berry. I spotted he wasn't looking my way. No problem.
This is the second clip sent in by the same viewer.
Hoo-wee. Well, if you expect it, I saw the guy looking the other way.
The problem was nicely rectified, but did any of my viewers pick up on the mistake at the start? It doesn't matter how advanced a driver or a rider you are, 47 miles per hour in a 30 limit is not good enough. John called this clip "Work Together," and it's actually really easy when people do.
And take the first exit, then take the motorway.
Here's another clip from John showing some great anticipation skills.
Cross the roundabout and take the third exit, B6380.
So we can already see the exit that John is taking. Who spotted the pedestrian in front of the shop? We've also got a zebra crossing in our road. I wonder what's going to happen. You could tell by John's speed he'd already sussed this out well before he got there. As normal, great driving, mate. This is some nice driving, but with still a little room for improvement. Emerging at quite a fast moving T-junction. And yes, the spot of the car overtaken from the left was good, but next time, just try and do all your proper observations before the giveaway line. Who remembers Shep from Blue Peter? And who also remembers how distraught John Noakes was when Shep died? This was nearly take two, apart from a good spot and a good reaction by my viewer. This is nice work by my viewer, who drives a cab before anyone mentions the bus lane, and the learner from the opposite direction. All the other cars overtaken need to go back to school. Have a look at the Mini emerging from the side road where these temporary lights are situated. They're going to be the star of the show. When the lights change and they are let out, they don't just blindly emerge. They keep looking. And it's a good job. Two flashing lights clips to finish. This is a dangerous one, but it's well sorted. Watch the oncoming car behind the first lorry flash its lights. That was an excellent suss out by my viewer driving this heavy. You think on how easy it would have been to stop, or not, more being the case. This is a lovely flash of the lights at an appropriate time. Keep safe everyone, thanks for watching and I hope to see you next time.